Is the Israel-Palestine conflict really about religion? A senior Somaliland minister says no, and his comments are now fueling one of the biggest political debates in the Horn of Africa. Somaliland's Minister of the Presidency, Khadar Hussein Abdi, says the conflict between Israel and the Palestinians is driven by land and political interest, not religion. Speaking after President Abdirahman Mohamed Abdullahi Corey's visit to Israel, the minister defended Somaliland's growing ties with Israel following its recognition of Somaliland. He urged that peace talks between Israelis and Palestinians have focused on borders and political agreements, not religious issues. Khadar also praised Israel for recognizing Somaliland, calling it an act of justice after decades without international recognition. But his remarks have sparked immediate backlash. Prominent Somaliland human rights lawyer Guleed Dafac warned that redefining the conflict could divide Somaliland society and drag the country into crisis far bigger than itself.